Hey, okay, so the really quick version, because I know a couple of you were like, oh my gosh, you're making chicken noodle soup, can I have the recipe, and what do you make, and how do you do it? Okay, this is not a Betty Crocker. This is not a Betty Crocker one, okay? This is like totally simple, totally simple. So what I did was I took the thigh and the drumsticks, and they were still frozen. Just to let you know, still frozen. And I took them and I filled it with water, and I put bay leaves in, I put garlic powder in, I put cracked pepper balls in, and what else did I put in? Oh, rosemary. I put in rosemary. And I let it boil for like about 3.5 hours. That's it. Just let it in there, let it boil. And then I let it cool, and then I put it in the fridge overnight. And then today, when I went and I walked dirt, I took it and I put it on the stove for a little while and let it warm up. And then I took the chicken out, let it drain a little bit, and then I cut it all up, pulled all the pieces apart. Okay. Yep. And then, because I was going to do the dumplings, and I thought, no, I don't want to do that again. Then I was going to cut up potatoes, and I'm like, I don't want to do any more potato cutting or anything. And then I thought, well, noodles, and I didn't want to do elbow noodles. So I have decided to do angel hair pasta noodles, whatever. Okay. Broke them all up to about an inch and a half, and then I'm done. Oh, wait a minute. I did find this really great package. Ooh, let me. I don't know where you guys can find it. It was like 67 cents. Like, seriously, not kidding you. Here it is. Oh, it's backwards. Sorry, guys. It's backwards. I'll hold still. One package. Actually, I thought there was only going to be one package, and I figured it was seasoning just to spice it up a little bit. I figured, whatever. Instead of buying broth, which I was only going to do a cup, but I figured, this should be a little inexpensive version to give it a little better taste, because mine always tastes a little bland when I make the soup. But anyway, I got 2 packets for 67 cents. I went to Festival. I was like, whoa! And it has a little bit of noodles in here. So that kind of helped me do these kind of noodles. So totally awesome. Okay, and then we're boiling away here. Boiling away. Oh, and then I cut up carrots and celery. So that's it. I'm gonna go and check in about 10 minutes to see if the carrots are done, because they've been doing it for probably about hour. That's okay if they're a little crunchy. I don't mind them. It's just a little bit soft. And then I'm gonna throw the chicken in there, and then I'm gonna throw the noodles in there, and then it's time for supper. I should have started it sooner, but I didn't. But anyway, that's how I make my lazy chicken noodle soup, just to let you know. Okay. Thanks, guys. Bye.